If you are wondering if you can switch lenses while recording videos in a Samsung S25, it actually depends of video resolution and frames per second that we are using. So in 8K, we can start recording with normal lens and we can zoom in up to 5 times, but we cannot switch into the ultra wide lens. When we go into 4K and go for 60 frames per second, we can record in ultra wide lens or in the wide lens, but we actually cannot switch into other lenses. We can zoom in for sure, but we are not gonna be moved to another lens. So that's how it actually looks. When I'm gonna start with the normal lens, then I cannot go back into ultra wide lens. But if I'm gonna lower frames per second to 30 frames, then yes, I can switch between all of the lenses. And I can even zoom in to the 12 times. And it looks the same for Full HD. So when you turn the Full HD, you can actually start recording. There we go. And you can use any lens that you want. So that's how it actually looks. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.